So I'm going to give you very, very inside information, what is happening behind the scene. Okay. पर्दे के पीछे क्या होता है, that I'm going to give you so that you understand what is the mindset of the recruiting agency or recruitment firm or the company like Capgemini, Deloitte, Accenture, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and all the top notch, top 20, 30 companies I'm talking about. What is in their mind? What type of students they are looking for? That I'm going to divulge in the next 15 minutes time out here. Okay. So take a complete note and then we'll start with this. Okay. So let me start their campus placement part. Okay. And this is what most of you seriously need this guidance. Okay. And your journey from campus to corporate. And only obstacle is that there are two things. One is your written test, and second is your like the placement interview. If you are through this thing, you are able to crack any job. Okay. And this job I am talking about, it is all 15 LPA, 20 LPA and plus job, not the mediocre job, not the small spectrum job and all. So let me start with the secret one, the great secret. First of all, as the engineering students or MCA or MBA or MTech student, you need to have your LinkedIn profile. Very, very important. Each and every one of you should have your LinkedIn profile. That is number one. Second is you should know what is your SSI score. Do you know what is SSI score? If you have heard of SSI score, I want to just see your reaction onto this. What is SSI score? No, sir, Ravi is saying. Okay. Yeah, please tell me, like, if you have heard of this SSI, that is what I'm saying, that I'm giving you something that's really great. You never see this thing anywhere out there. Okay, perfect. So SSI score, जैसे आप लोग ग्रेजुएट करते हैं ना, आप जब आपका कॉलेज में सेकंड ईयर से थर्ड ईयर जाते हैं और फिफ्थ से सिक्स सेमेस्टर पे जाते हैं आप, और सेवन से एट सेमेस्टर पे जाते हैं, तो यू गेट ए ग्रेडिंग सिस्टम, राइट? आइदर CGP or something. In similar line, LinkedIn has a SSI score, and you need to understand that SSI score quite well, because based on that you will become a super magnet and the job will start attracting you. You don't have to chase job will start chasing you once you have the right SSI score, and I'll show you the magic how it works that way. Okay, let's start with this. So first I will give you my example only. So from my example, I am coming in SSI score, it's a top 1%. Okay, in industry. So globally, across globe, all over the world, within the software company or IT company, I am positioned at top 1%. Okay. And across industry, like it's pharma, business, or pharmaceuticals, or health and energy, utility, insurance, and all, I am coming in top 2%. And because of this, I become a super magnet. And बहुत से company मुझे position करने के लिए, they starts offering me the job at very high level, CXO level, CTO level, and all. And I am already at that level. I am chief architect, and I am directly managing this entire at CXO level directly out there. तो आप जब इस पोजीशन पे आएंगे, तो आपको जॉब के पीछे नहीं जाना है. जॉब will start chasing you. You will become a super magnet. Okay. Do you want to be a super magnet? Type M in the account box. Do you want to learn how to become super magnet? Yes. Perfect. Excellent. तो सबसे पहले अगर आपका LinkedIn प्रोफाइल है, एक्सीलेंट. अगर नहीं है तो आप क्रिएट कीजिए. प्लीज प्रिपेयर, हैव योर लिंक्डइन रेडी. एंड सेकंड है कि देयर इज ए फ्री scoring available in LinkedIn. What you can do, Sakshi, can you place the link also out there, that you can go in your LinkedIn profile and type this URL, the link that I am giving you. It is free of cost. You can check your SSI score. In most of the cases, your SSI score will be 15%, 20%, like from the bottom. So you will be coming into 85%, 70% and all. So my intention is that to bring you to the top level. Okay. So आपका पहला काम है, you need to be at the top 10% or top 5%. The moment you hit there, you will see that you don't have to chase job. Job will start chasing you. Job will start coming back to you. Okay. So first of all, what is your SSI score? So you can do this thing, not right now. You can do this thing later on. Sakshi is going to give you, Sakshi ma'am is going to give you the link out there, and then you can check your things. So this is your heat map to understand where you are in SSI. And once you hit in the top 1%, you become the super magnet. So write it down. This is the huge secret. And once that is there, तो company, वो देखो advantage क्या होता है ना, कि आपका जो प्रोफाइल है, ये प्रोफाइल प्रोफेशनल प्रोफाइल है, और आपका प्रोफाइल सबके पास आना शुरू हो जाता है. तो यू विल स्टार्ट गेटिंग दिस कॉल फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ अ सडन फ्रॉम से गूगल और फ्रॉम Amazon and all, that I see you, that you have contributed quite well and you are into top 1% or top 5% or even top 10%. I am offering you this. So are you able to have some technical discussion with my team. तो ऐसे ऐसा करके आपको क्वेश्चन आना शुरू हो जाता है. Then you will see the magic and the magnet behind this. Okay. Okay, thank you, Sakshi. Sakshi has said. तो आप ये लिंक लीजिए, this is free of cost. You can use this one and check your SSI score. That is secret number 1.